Hello, if you want your part to look like a computer screen and to be able to adjust the brightness like this, then this is the video for you. Insert part, adjust it to what size you think will work, change it to black and the material to neon, maybe take the shadow off. And next you want to insert a surface GUI, and inside that you want an image label. Now you'll need to adjust the image label to fill the part, if you want, that is. I'm going to do 1, 0, 1, 0. And what's next? Add the image, of course. Yeah. Okay, that looks absolutely dreadful. So we'll need to adjust the background transparency to 1. Now we need to change the light influence. So what this is if you have the light influence to 1, then any lights around it are going to influence how it will look. We don't want that, because we want the light to appear from the screen. And this is how we do it. We adjust the brightness to how you want, and that is
how you make a computer screen. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.